Wheel alignment completed, oil changed and multi-point inspected, heated front seats, leather seats and 4-wheel drive, and HTSA 5-star crash test rating. This black 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck limited is priced to sell fast. This Tundra 4WD truck has a very popular black exterior color with a black with leather seat trim or leather seat trim with faux interior that looks fantastic. Infiniti of Kansas City prides itself on value pricing its vehicles and exceeding all customer expectations. The next step? Give us a call to confirm availability and schedule a hassle-free test drive. We are located at 6960 West Rentage Road, Merriam, Kansas, 66203.